damn it. I forgot to record that first one, bro. I'm Darcy.
Are we still... When that light resistance is nuts.
I'm the only one who can't see the symbols, but I can tell you.
Oh god, this is not going to be an easy match. I think we gotta rush. Gotta rush before he spawns idols.
I have only one idol.
Yeah, before you spawn your idols. I think if we don't rush, we lose.
Who's Hannah?
Thank you.
Oh, this looks familiar.
I spawned on bridge. Bro, I have subject right now, bro.
You go ahead. 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 You go ahead.
You like my moonwalking? Oh.
Why didn't it capitalize it? What the fuck? Oh, sorry, I gotta be more proper. Can you go the fuck away? Can you go the fuck away? Where's my light? What the fuck? Can you leave me alone? Fuck's sake.
Bruh. Am I exporting? Am I exporting? Am I cheating?
No, you just have that much light resistance. You use the light res skin with bark on Nightmare stats. That's nuts.
Only have 14 items here.
I almost outlasted you too.
I only have 4 items. Is it really that bad?
But yes, it's pretty bad. Every idol is 5%. So you're at 20% on Ape. But like, I think it's 0.125% or 0.125 times plus like plus whatever it is.
I don't know why I use that so serious. I'm gonna place this right
Huh?
here, and then I'm gonna go after you again.
Wow, one idol. Jesus Christ, can you go away? Christ.
Here.
Rosens. Super on
This
table.
feels this feels like a repeat of like early stage comp. Where Darcy is just unreasonably strong.
Over here.
Is it? Hey, was that BS, Rosens? Was that BS?
It looked BS.
Relax.
He's on 45 ping. How could he be lagging? Oh, Jesus Christ! Go away! Please go away.
Here.
Is that a flashback?
I think we have to caboose. Who the hell is
I
that?
have no idea. Yo, who are you?
Wait, new phone. Who dis?
Oh my god. Alright, another flashbang. I'm sure you guys win this. Are you dead ass?
The whole place is connected by those caves. They seem to do some sort of ritual there.
Huh? Oh,
Bro.
Over here. Here.
oh Christ!
You go ahead.
The harbor has been smashed by the storm. Am I stuck in here? I have to get out.
Caboose, caboose, caboose,
Wait.
caboose, 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 caboose.
Christ!
I think the meta is to like. It's for one person to split up, you know? If you get really lucky. Also, you guys. Actually, never mind.
Children used to play here.
This person's probably confused as hell. It probably says found clues 7 out of or 9 out of 8. trust you. You're level 100.
The creature
Bro,
is near.
Frozen, how are you already over here? Like, bro, what are you doing? Bro, what the f- Okay, the fuck.
Over here!
Dude, we gotta go back to the cave. It's over there. We just went the other way. Oh my god. I'm gonna be the reason we win
Let
this.
it go.
Stunning, bro.